I dreamed the devil last night paid a visit to me, oh Satan paid a visit to me.
Surfboards and motorbikes do go together. In our wildest dreams, that's how we get to the beach, on a perfect speed machine and on a perfect day in the waves.
Oh devil, get away from me. Devil, get away from me.
When I was asked to build a surfboard for a motorcycle exhibition, freedom machines really, I didn't really flinch. Both are just made for fun, and that's where I was coming from.
Said you lied with skill and never paid a bill, and the hell you gonna pay them off with me? Devil, get away from me.
I always loved the hot rod culture, speed and Bonneville Salt Lake racing, and those concepts always, the ideas behind those types of free ideas and loose ideas really inspire me a lot in my work. And so doing another surfboard that was based on those ideas, to me, was just a dream. I really wanted it to look cool and hot, but I also wanted it to work really well, and I knew that that shape would be great. Down the line, speed, 8 foot long, great rail, vintage 70s vibe, but with contemporary build. Nick Stranger pulled it together on the shape and fulfilled my dreams on that, really. It just needs to look cool and desirable, and I'm really happy with the way it's come out and turned around, and sorry to see it go, but I'm happy that someone will win it.
I screamed and yelled and tried to pull away to the Lord.
Put it on the wall, or maybe take it out one day. I know I'd really like to give it a burn.
Next time you'll really know, and I woke up bringing wet in bed. Now the devil went away from me. The devil went away from me. Took away his shroud and his big black cloud, and the devil went away.